The Coco Snow Chains KN100 use a full-coverage mesh pattern and squared steel links to bite securely into snow and ice while keeping the ride relatively smooth. High-carbon steel construction with a specialized heat treatment makes these chains impressively resistant to wear, stretching, and metal fatigue over repeated winter seasons. They fit a wide range of passenger cars, pickup trucks, and sport utility vehicles, covering many common tire sizes so one set can serve multiple vehicles in a household. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included gloves and tool-free design, so you can get them mounted without jacks or wrestling with complicated tensioners on the roadside. Once installed correctly, the chains provide a confident, planted feel on packed snow and icy hills, adding a reassuring layer of safety for winter commuting or mountain trips. The sturdy storage case keeps the chains organized, protected from damage, and easy to stash in the trunk so they are ready whenever conditions turn bad.